Good morning, Knoxville. A winter storm is set to sweep through East Tennessee this afternoon, blanketing the region with several inches of snow and creating hazardous conditions on the roads and highways. Most schools and businesses have been forced to close as residents prepare for one of the heaviest snowfalls of the season.
There is something truly magical about a snow day. A moment when time seems to slow and the world transforms into a winter wonderland. Every snowflake is different, a delicate masterpiece, falling gently from the sky. Together, they weave a blanket of white that covers the town, completing the holiday season. The sound of heavy snow, soft yet powerful, fills the air, bringing a peaceful silence, broken only by the joyful echoes of laughter. Children take to the snow-covered streets, sledding, laughing, building snowmen, moments of pure happiness and wonder. Some race across the snowy paths on four-wheelers, their tires kicking up powder as they ride with exhilaration. Even Asher, my miniature schnauzer, can't resist the call of the snow. He bounces through the powder, his tiny paws disappearing into the drifts, a blur of excitement and joy. The beauty is all around us. Knoxville, draped in white, becomes a picture of serenity, a fleeting glimpse of nature's quiet masterpiece. As the night falls, the snow glows under the moonlight, shimmering like a sea of tiny crystals. The world is quiet once more, resting beneath winter's gentle embrace. The magic of the snowstorm lingers, an unforgettable day, frozen in time.